Okay, here we have a 2004 Honda CR-V EX four-wheel drive SUV from Honda. Clean and clear headlights, clean front bumper, not a nick, not a scratch. Absolutely perfect front end. Comes with the 2.4 dual overhead cam V-TEC engine. There's just some slight rust on some of the fittings here. It's a northern vehicle. It's not very common for us to get these, but this one's in such clean condition inside and out that we really overlooked that. We got a minor dent right there. You can see it as I sway. Very, very clean. Beautiful Nighthawk black pearl paint. It's got the nice blue finish in it. It has new Firestone Affinity tires all the way around. Has basically 100% tread left. Has scratch-free alloy wheels. Body side moldings. Sunroof. This CR-V is really the whole package, and it is just flawless. This is one of the most gorgeous CR-Vs for the miles we have ever seen. So I mean, when we had a chance to buy it, we didn't hesitate and we jumped right on it. I mean, this thing is like factory brand new. You see the floor mats, CR-V floor mats. I mean, I believe you could see it in the video because I see it on the screen. These floor mats look brand new. Everything on this interior looks brand new. I mean, this was a very well kept vehicle. You would never even know it had the mileage that it does. It comes with 6-disc CD changer, tape player, AM/FM radio, the owner's manual. The e-brake is right here. Thought that was kind of interesting. It's slightly backwards in regular vehicles, but it does have overdrive, and comes with cruise control, sunroof, steering wheel controls, the full package really. I mean, everything you could ever want in a CR-V, this has got it. It comes with the real-time four-wheel drive, like I said. Keyless entry. Even the keyless entry looks brand new. I mean, look at that. It's like a brand new piece of plastic. And I mean, this is all original. I mean, the key looks like brand new. It's not all scratched up. This was very well maintained. That's why I'm showing you the little things. Has 142,000 miles. You'd never know it. I would say if I have to guess the mileage, it'd be somewhere around 50 on this vehicle, based on the condition, if I didn't know the miles. It sounds really good. It drives great. It drives straight down the road. I mean, it doesn't even sway to either side.
With TD convenience checking, all you need.
Radio works perfect. The AC is ice cold. It smells great in here, non-smoker. Comes with the sunroof for Florida. Look at that beautiful blue sky. Gotta have it. Comes with dual vanity mirrors. Just had an oil change. Everything works 100%, all the windows, absolutely everything. I know we have a couple other videos where I stress the condition of the vehicles, and this is one of those vehicles. It's a low emissions vehicle. It has all the VIN stickers on every panel. This is the CR-V to get. If you're looking to get one for a little less price than one with really low miles, I mean, this would be the one, because it is just flawless. It's just like one with really low miles. Comes with a very large tailgate in the trunk space, the table underneath. CR-V staying true to its roots. Comes with a little trailer hitch. Again, the VIN stickers are on every panel. There's the real-time four-wheel drive. Meticulous motors. I mean, it's a Honda. It'll last. It's just beautiful interior. Everything's like new, smells new, looks new. I know my job is to post videos to sell these vehicles, but honestly, I mean, this, you just don't get much better than this. I mean, you can find this beautiful 2004 Honda CR-V EX 4-wheel drive exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our channel. Click any ads below because your contributions help the videos keep coming. And thank you for watching.